Market Equilibrium in Digital Spaces, Redefining Strategic Leadership for 2026. The traditional paradigm. Imagine the early morning churn of a small-town bakery, where equilibrium is approached through the slow cadence of supply meeting community demand. Here, the physical constraints of inventory, geography, and time result in a market equilibrium characterized by gradual adjustment, such as the clock speed of classical economics, where the invisible hand achieves balance as the result of many tangible actions and choices. The digital divergence. Fast forward to the digital marketplace, where the rules of engagement are radically altered. A team uploads a new software application. Though the initial development represents significant investment, serving the next user is practically free. Suddenly, the slope of the supply curve flattens into near irrelevance. Here, market equilibrium is not generated by production capacity, but by the velocity at which human attention is captured and retained. This frictionless pivot is one of the most profound departures from traditional thinking, requiring contemporary strategists to unlearn limitations inherent to the physical world. The elasticity paradox. Consumer behavior becomes equally unpredictable. Consider the paradox of digital price elasticity. Consumers navigate without search friction and can instantly compare prices. The digital customer, free of physical constraints, is hyper-responsive to any change in price or offer. Yet, paradoxically, they can become deeply embedded within digital ecosystems, weathering price changes due to social connections, personalized content, or proprietary features. Strategic equilibrium is thus no longer a function of price alone. It is about ecosystem gravity, where value is generated by building a personalized moat to prevent user churn rather than by intricate price wars. Algorithmic intervention and flash volatility. Enter the algorithm, a confluence of data science and microeconomic theory, recalibrating prices and offers in real time. Unlike the deliberate hand of the baker, digital platforms employ dynamic pricing engines and programmatic auctions, shifting market equilibrium on the edge of milliseconds. This unprecedented speed brings flash volatility, sudden changes that disrupt consumer expectations and introduce new forms of risk. The market designer, therefore, must not merely respond. They must anticipate and stabilize these oscillations with vision and precision. The challenge is to find the economic North Star, the intersection of algorithmic efficiency and genuine consumer need, navigating a path through waves of instant feedback and shifting demand. From participant to architect. Finally, we recognize the deeper transformation underway. In digital spaces, equilibrium is a living phenomenon, an active tension, evolving constantly as algorithms, consumers, and competitors interact. The strategist's task is to become a marketplace architect. Through data-driven management and anticipation of future shifts, leaders design systems intended not just to compete, but to create enduring value. Success depends not on reaching an equilibrium, but on perpetually balancing the dynamic forces that define modern digital markets. Conclusion. Equilibrium in 2026 and beyond is best viewed as an ongoing process, not a terminal state. We must shift our mindset from observing to orchestrating, equipping ourselves with the tools and understanding needed to design resilient, adaptable market ecosystems.